Hi guys, John again here. Now, today I'm going to show you guys how to brand a specific account under your hierarchy. This is part of the administrative function series. So, here we go. Now, first off, you want to be inside the admin dashboard. Again, if you guys haven't followed the series, all you got to do to be in this screen is just click on the admin button here on the top left, and it'll display all a list of accounts under your hierarchy. Now, to make changes on the branding, all you have to do is just click on settings. It's the wrench icon I just clicked earlier, and you'll be greeted with 4 tabs. Now you have logos and styles. This is where you change the logos, the designs. As you can see here, the logo is the top left portion. The hotspot is the 360 bubble or the navigational bubble. And the tripod cover is what covers the tripod. You can also change the overall theme color of their tours on this tab. Next is you also have the player design. You can choose what appears on their tours, meaning you can switch off the logo, you can switch off the welcome window, the auto rotate, and so on. Next, you also have legal information. Now, the legal information tab allows you to choose which of these fields would you want showing up on your tours. You can also change their company name here and add their company or their email, the website here. Next is you also have the floor plan order tab. What this does is it allows you to define where the notifications for completed floor plans would go to. Now, as you can see here, it currently is defaulted to the responsible agent. So whoever is set as the responsible agent for that particular tour gets notified when a floor plan is completed. But as an administrator, you can also choose which email address or which email should be notified for any completed floor plans. You can also notify the primary user email, which is the administrative email or the administrative account or the email used for the administrative account, basically. So yes, you can define those roles and click on submit once you're done, and that's how you brand and modify and define the settings for this particular account. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.